This is the one. Big tickets are already completed for you. Replacement windows, 2014, HVAC, 2014, new roof, 2016, water heater, 2019. Seller's pride is easily evident within this brick rent 3-bedroom/2-bath floor plan. This home has so many great features: a bonus laundry mudroom, 16 feet by 16 feet screen back porch excellent for entertaining, and an oversized 2-car garage perfect for storage workshop projects. Bonus extended driveway for ample parking. Heart of the home, the updated kitchen boasts an abundance of custom cabinetry, eat-in breakfast nook, Corian countertops and newly tiled floors. Fully fenced backyard complete with workshop shed complete with electricity. Recently renovated master bath February 2020, freshly painted, centrally located in